Hi UCNS friends. I know a lot of you are working on you have planted your Easter garden. And so I wanted to show you what I've been doing in my backyard because I love to garden as well. So what I've done first is I built this planter box and I filled it with some dirt, some extra dirt I had in my yard, and then I bought some compost and fertilizer to help the new plants grow and be nice and healthy and strong. So that was the first thing I did. So these are some of the plants I bought. I have 4 tomato plants. I got 4 marigolds and this plant here, which I forget what it's even called right now. I'm gonna plant these in this planter box and we'll go from there. Okay, so before I actually dig up the soil and plant, I like to kind of lay out the plants and just make sure I like how it's gonna look and where they're gonna go. So that's the next step I did, and now we'll actually plant them. Okay, so now we got all the plants in. I got some help from my sons, and we got everything in, and so that's it. So get out there, plant some things, plant your seeds in your bag, and have some fun. Talk to you later.
They just